Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Now available for sale is this captivating St. Anne residence that perfectly blends Caribbean charm with modern comfort. Formerly a sought after rental and sitting on 0.28 acre. This three-bedroom, three-bathroom home, including two en-suites, is now your opportunity to own a slice of paradise. Relax under the ceiling fans or stay cool with AC in every room, secured with sturdy grills for peace of mind. The lush garden bursts with fruit trees, and the private back patio offers a stunning ocean view, ideal for quiet moments or entertaining guests. Whether you're sipping coffee at sunrise or hosting dinner under the stars, the vibes are unmatched. Located just 10 minutes from iconic attractions like Dunn's River Falls, Blue Hole, White River Rafting, Ocean 11, and Taj Mahal shopping, this location is as prime as it gets. Make your move and make it permanent. Own the lifestyle of your dreams. Schedule a viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million, US 380.3 thousand, Canadian 544.3 thousand, or 295.5 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.